Hello everybody, doing a tune-up report on the Stryker SR-955HPC for Adrian in California. Adrian starting in AM and get the power all the way down. I usually use this meter for that. Set to 10 watts on the top scale. It should be coming at 1. I need to go to the next scale. It'd be 10, 20, 30 on the bottom. Alright. I'll bring it all the way up. She comes in about 18, 19. Okay, and then this 100 watt slug. Peak power is a scale across the bottom. Audio, audio, audio. Just past the 80 there, about 85. Okay, I'm gonna try some sideband. Audio check. Let me get this guy over. Audio check. Audio check. I don't think I showed you AM on there either. AM 1 2 3 4 5. Audio check. Okay. FM 40 all the way up. And nothing all the way down. Do we do sideband? Do we do sideband all the way up? Hello. Do we do sideband? Sideband. Audio. Check. Okay, we did it now anyway. Alright. How about a channel 19 because I got a radio check back.
I hear you on that radio.
I appreciate it, driver. Thank you very much.
Yeah.